Get great royalty-free photos, graphics, and videos with Pixabay. Here's another Freedom Lab cheat sheet video. Quick and simple step-by-step instructions for online business tech. When I find something I like, I use it over and over. And I love Pixabay. This is where you can grab a variety of illustrations, photos, and video clips for whatever visual media you're creating. It's easy to find what you're looking for. Just plug in your keyword in the search bar. Here I'm doing a search for social media in images. And I refine my search to illustrations. You can refine your searches even more by orientation, by category, by size, and by color, even black and white and images with a transparent background. If you want to go even deeper in your search, Pixabay allows the use of advanced search operators to help you find what you're looking for. There's even a detailed post in their blog about how to do this. Oh, and almost forgot, I did mention that they have tons of video clips to choose from like this one and much more. So Pixabay is pretty much a go-to site if you want to download images and videos or looking for inspiration for your next creation. Wishing you all the best in your online venture adventures. I'm Marie Watkins with Freedom Lab.